Good morning, guys. It's around 8:30 here in my shop. I'm about to open the doors in about half an hour. Today I'm hosting a private bachelor class. So I do public, sort of anybody can sign up once a month classes, and I also do these private classes. I'm looking for that mark. I think I found it. I want a light blow, very light. Just bring it just above the punch and come down very gently. Hold on, let me align that. Okay. So how are we making out? Yeah.
Yeah. And a good learning experience.
Great.
Pretty nerve-wracking.
You got through it. You got through it well.
Yeah, minimal burns.
Good job, guys. Thank you for following me along today. These guys went home very happy. They went home with some very nice axes. They had a great time, as I'm sure you've seen. Now, this class was a private class. It was for a bachelor group, but I do host public classes. My next one is actually next Saturday. So I'm going to be setting up the entire shop again for these classes. If you would like to participate, I still have 3 or 4 spots open. So I'm going to run a promotional code. It's going to be in the link below. So if you'd like to come down to St. Catharines next week and forge your very own axe, just like these 6 guys did, I have a few spots open for you. Follow the link and you'll get more details there. Thank you for following me along, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.